What's going on, guys? Operation Moon here with another video. Quick update today on Bonfire. So the app is finally live. It's on the App
Yeah,
Store.
boy.
So we're going to jump into that real quick. We'll look at the overall price and just touch on the Reddit. But yeah, it's just going to be a short video today. So yeah, if you enjoy the content, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Let's jump in. Straight across to the overall crypto market, we can see that we're up 5.32% today, which is very good overall. BTC is up 19% in the last 7 days. So that's really good. Obviously, that's impacting all coins. As you can see, it's just green across the board here, which is very positive. So that's sitting at a price of 45,800, which is massive. Obviously, there for a good month or so, we were just going down, moving sideways. So it's really good to see there's a bit of money coming back into the crypto market. So just jumping across to the Twitter now, and we can see on the Bonfire official Twitter about 7 hours ago, they've been blown away from the response of our community to our recent Bonfire app launch. We're seeing a significant level of downloads and a lot of new faces. Let us know you're on board in the comments. So currently, this one that was posted 8 hours ago is showing that in the iOS App Store, finance charts in the US currently sitting at 43, which is in front of MetaMask, which is huge. So big congratulations to the Bonfire team for doing that. And obviously the community. So if there's anything that you can do to show the team that you are supporting them, just go and download the app and give it a 5-star review. I'm sure that would go a long way. But yeah, look, I have been planning on making a video in regards to the app, and I will get to that hopefully in the next week or so. Have a bit of a breakdown. I've definitely got it, and I am enjoying it, and I like what they have done. So I'd highly suggest that you download the app if you haven't yet, and show your support to the team. So just jumping across to the Reddit here, it's a post from Imponing the community manager. Now this is 17 hours ago, and this would be the US finance charts as well, and we're sitting at 174. So currently it was in the 40s as of 7 hours ago, and I believe it's only going to go up. So yeah, download it, give it a 5-star review, and hopefully, imagine if you could get to the front page or the top 10, top 20, it would be unreal. So exactly what Izzy has said. Don't forget to hit that 5 stars. So it's very interesting and very, grateful for the team for delivering the product like they said they would. There were initially a few delays there, but they said they would come out and they would give it to you early August, which they have delivered. So it's awesome stuff from the team. And lastly, at the charts here, as you can see, since these are 4-hour candles, since the app has come out, we've had a nice candle there that has pumped up. Good bit of volume. The market cap value is back up at 31 million. Obviously, there's a lot of money going back into the crypto market at the moment, which is great. But as you can see, we've kind of broke a level that we haven't been able to get past in a few weeks now. So last time we were at this level was back on the 16th of July. So this is obviously massive downward trend, and it was for weeks. You can see, it started all the way back in June, and there it goes, swift descent. But that is okay. Well, I shouldn't say swift, it was a long descent, but you get what I mean. So now, believe we are on the up and up. It's going to move sideways a bit, going to be a bit of consolidation, but with the team delivering the products like they said they will, it's going to be bullish overall. And it's the long-term investment with this. This app is definitely a game changer. They've released it. They said they would. They had it in the roadmap, and now it's here. It exists. It's literally something you can go and download off the App Store. So, yeah, look, just a short video here to give the Bonfire team a shout out, and help support them. So, spread the word, download the app, give it a 5-star review.